The world's energy needs are growing. We need clean, reliable energy that includes vast reserves of wind power that's available offshore, untapped and waiting. Today, there is enough wind offshore to provide 3 times the power that the US uses annually. The best winds remain untapped because conventional technology installations are too complex, risky, and expensive. The high costs have delayed the industry's progress, while many consumers are going without the renewable power that they seek. This is SEALIFT, a solution brought to you by Nautica Wind Power. SEALIFT represents a new class of floating offshore wind turbine systems. We designed it to cut costs by reducing risk and complexity in manufacturing, assembling, and the system installation process. Components are fabricated across the country, bringing American-made goods to the assembly port by truck, train, and ship where it all comes together. Steel tubes and plates are assembled into the massive SEALIFT floating foundation. We're changing how offshore wind is built. SEALIFT is leaner and half the weight of other competing designs out there. We assemble in existing ports, minimizing risk and delays of construction at sea. While in transport on water, SEALIFT is designed to fit under bridges on its way to its final destination offshore, where it will harness powerful winds. SEALIFT goes deeper, about 1,200 plus meters down, where the winds above are the strongest. SEALIFT also utilizes a single connection to the seabed to minimize disturbances to the seabed habitat. At such depths, competing uses off the area are reduced, and views from shore are preserved. This approach opens up vast new areas for development, while bringing clean energy closer to those who need it. SEALIFT is more than just technology. It's an investment in a cleaner future, a future we are building where energy is affordable and abundant. SEALIFT is also designed for a circular economy. Once the floating wind system's life cycle has finished, the unit is detached and towed back to shore where its components are recycled. Nothing is wasted. This is Nautica Wind Power's SEALIFT, revolutionizing offshore wind potential and expanding access to clean energy, while building a brighter future for generations to come.
Floating offshore wind energy offers a vast opportunity for not only the U.S., but the world. The biggest challenges, however, right now are the costs. These include infrastructure costs, the impact on ports and vessels, particularly large. The U.S. estimates that it could be $34 billion to address those issues. In addition, the turbines themselves have a large material cost because of their weight. They're literally the sizes of some skyscrapers, and that's composed of either steel or concrete, which is expensive components of the overall costs. Next is the installation costs and risks. Current technologies and methodologies for installing offshore wind turbines requires high and heavy lifts with cranes, which are risky to the not only the structures, but obviously the people that are involved. And finally, the public and competing use impact. There are viewshed issues, and there are fishery uses and so forth, which need to be addressed to make sure that those are not being impacted. My name is Larry Viterna, the engineer who designed SEALIFT. I spent most of my 32-year career at NASA Glenn Research Center in Cleveland, working in different roles that included lead engineer, division chief for the commercial technology program, and serving as the business development leader for the center. Now I work as the Chief Technology Officer and Vice President of Nautica Wind Power alongside my wife, Karen Viterna, who serves as the President and CEO. Our company is dedicated to developing advanced technology for the future offshore wind market. We've developed a new class of floating offshore wind turbines that are aimed at reducing system weight, complexity, and cost for previously inaccessible deepwater sites. As global citizens, we're concerned about the health and preservation of our planet. For us, SEALIFT is more than just a technology. It's an investment in a cleaner future, a future where energy is affordable and abundant. Thank you.